Hello everyone, and welcome to today's interior design guide. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of decorating a stunning transitional modern living room. We'll be using a variety of components to achieve that perfect blend of contemporary and classic styles. So, let's dive right in. Our first step is to set the foundation. Begin by selecting a neutral color palette for the walls and ceiling. This creates a versatile backdrop that allows your furnishings to shine. Now, let's bring in the key pieces that define a transitional modern living room. Start with a sleek and comfortable sofa as the focal point. Next, position a stylish coffee table in front of the sofa, creating a cozy and functional seating area. For our entertainment center, choose a modern TV stand that complements the room style. Make sure it provides storage for media equipment while keeping the area clutter-free. To add more seating options, incorporate a pair of comfortable armchairs. Position them across from the sofa to encourage conversation. Complete the arrangement with side tables that offer a spot for drinks and books. Let's enhance the room with decorative elements. Install a stylish fireplace surround to create a focal point. Add bookshelves or shelving units to display your favorite books, decorative items, and personal touches. Lighting plays a crucial role in interior design. Place floor lamps strategically to create warm pools of light. Hang pendant lights or chandeliers above the coffee table to add elegance and dimension. Wall art and decorative mirrors inject personality and depth. Mix framed art pieces with mirrors to reflect light and create a visually appealing arrangement. Window treatments like curtains and blinds provide privacy and style. Opt for light and airy fabrics to maintain the room's open feel. Lastly, let's add those final touches that tie everything together. Place a plush area rug beneath the seating arrangement to anchor the space. Incorporate decorative columns or pillars and open shelving dividers to add architectural interest. And there you have it, a stunning transitional modern living room that combines the best of both worlds. Remember, the key is to balance contemporary elements with classic details for that perfect harmony. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!